Cool, this is going to be a restoration project. Yeah, so here's our old chest. So I'm going to restore this desk. What do you think, Ax?
I think we should.
Keyword. Can you twist it? Does it twist?
Not hard.
Oh, there we go. Right, look at all this metal work. That's really what I'm going to focus on. It's dull. It looks brown instead of shiny. It's got blue on it. Right, I'm going to clean all the metalwork up. Also, the lid is not attached at the moment. It just floats around. So we're going to take it off and fix it up. Cool.
It's fossilized copper.
Is it coming out? Oh. Whoa. We got it. Whoa. What is at the back? Like a nail. Right, of course I need to buy some bits. I tried to be minimal, tried to be sustainable. Me and Nats went to a hardware store. We just picked up things that looked right, were cheap enough, that worked. I mean, what can I say? You got to spend a little bit of money to restore things, but I just don't go over the top, that's all. So, you have to remove things really, and you have to do it quite systematically. Remove something, clean it, put it back. You don't want to do it on the actual chest, because you'll scratch the chest. So take one thing off, clean it, put it back on again. Like this one, taking it off, put it back on again. Exactly.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Everybody's in on it now. But look at the key. Look at the emblem. Oh.
That's an arrow.
Well, that looks amazing.
You go next to something. Look at this. Mummy.
Ah, the key. Right, so these hinges really have to come off. They're in a really bad state. So I'm going to take those off, properly clean them up, and then put them back on. Right, there are my two hinges. They've got a slightly leather look to them and a leather pattern. So cool. Okay, they're almost ready. A little bit of blue left. Right, here's where the hinges go on. Now these holes are just too big for a screw now. So I'm going to take this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it to here, so it's beside it. Then I can re-screw into good wood. Sawing old things like this seems really wrong, but it's going to make it so much stronger, so I'm doing it. Right, old, new on the inside, so old, new, and there we go. And then I'll screw it in with some new screws, so it's really new. Now I'd normally put pilot holes, but the screws are so small here I don't need to bother. The fighter jet's coming home, it's the end of the day, and man, I'm happy with that. The boys did such good work polishing up those bits. Everything works on it, all opens and closes and locks. Wicked massive key in it. You know, these old pieces, you don't want to take away that they're old. You just want to do little bits. Right, go find something old in your house, do it up. This was like 2 hours work, so satisfying. It works again, another 10 years on it. Do this project, guys.
Do this project. The key is to like and subscribe.